finally going camping again. Woohoo, woohoo. It's been ages. Last time we went camping was July. So, Ollie, really? What are you barking at? Anyway, the last time we went camping was July. So the most recent camping videos that you have seen before this one were from quite a while ago, quite a number of months. And I put them on a delay so that, you know, it wasn't just boring reviews or whatever, and you actually had some camping videos. So we have been driving for a while, and now we have only 29 minutes, says Siri, left until we arrive at our destination, which is Kyogle. We're going to go to the showgrounds there. There was another place not too far away from Kyogle that looks really nice, but you got to be self-contained, and I'm fine with pooing in a bucket, but Alexis didn't feel like that, and that's okay. So yeah, onto Kyogle we go, onto the showgrounds there, so there's showers and toilets and everything that we need without needing to poo in a bucket. We got the dog. Say hi, Ollie. Looking like she's got a very small head now that I've given her a fresh haircut. She always looks like a different dog after she has a haircut. She gets such long and fluffy hair. Yeah, so she's ready. She's had her butt shaved. Very important. Oh my goodness, this road is full of potholes. Yes, so very excited that we're camping again because it's been way too long. Thanks to current world conditions, travelling was not really an option. Yay! So yeah, now we're able to go out again. We're just going for Sunday night, Monday night, Tuesday night, 3 nights. Yeah, so that'll be fun. We are arriving in Kyogle. 4 minutes till our destination, Siri tells me. So this is cool. We're almost there. Tiny little town, and I'm actually speeding. I should be going 50, not 70. That's better. From the showgrounds, you can apparently walk into town quite easily. It's not very far, excuse me. Oh, goodness. So I'm assuming we'll be passing through town any moment now. I'm guessing we're coming up on town. There's a school on the left. Kyogle High School, which makes sense. Primary school on the right. Ollie, you don't need to bark. Please don't bark and be silly. I guess this is town. Are you excited, Ollie?
In 1 kilometre, turn left.
Here we go. Welcome to Kyogle. Come for a day, stay for a lifetime. Probably not a lifetime, but we'll come for a visit. Wow, it's Sunday today, so nothing is open at the moment, and it's Sunday afternoon. It's almost 5 p.m. But tomorrow, being Monday, we will probably head into town and have a bit of a wander around and see what's where. And apparently there's a couple of good op shops. That'll be good. I do like a good op shop.
Turn left, then prepare to park your car. You will need to walk to your destination from there.
Turn left, oh yeah, further. There's the showground.
Prepare to park your car. You will need to walk to your destination from there.
Ah, here we go.
Arrived.
Thanks, Siri. You can be quiet now. Ollie, don't be silly. There we go. An unpowered site, so I guess I'll find where the office is. Shh, Ollie, don't be silly. Camping grounds, there's a sign. Ollie, it's just someone on a bike. Hello again, internet. Dinner time. Cooking some mincy stuff. It's a veggie mince. Really? Shh. Ollie, stop. Stop. And it looks a lot like real sort of meat mince, but it's not, which is cool. And yeah, it's going to be a bolognese. Stay. High five. Yeah. I got my finger in the way. Dinner is cooking. It's going to be bolognese. Might have said that before. Here we go. Got the tomato and the mincy stuff in. It's an Aldi veggie mince. And carrots. Got some broccoli over here. On the little setup. Let me turn this around so I can show you. Hang on a second. I have a stool to sit on. I have a stool for my cutting board. And I have a stool for the stove. And dinner is going well. Alexis is hanging out there with me. There's the dog and there's Alexis. Butt scratches, yeah. You're a good girl. I can't video you from there, silly. Water will be boiling soon. And this, look how good that looks. Oh yeah, that's gonna be yum. Dinner is ready. There's the doggo hoping to get some. It kind of looks a bit weird from there maybe, but it's some pasta, parmesan, and bolognese. Yummy. So check out how neat and tidy these loos are. There's a whole row of them, in fact a double row. Oh, that's probably making you dizzy. Look at that, a lot of really high roof, super neat and tidy. That's my rubbish that I put on the floor, which I have to bring out to the car, little rubbish bin. Check this out, it's a really nice quality tap. There's a little shower type one instead of just a stream. Spare loo paper, soap, and a hook on the back of the door, which is super important. But yeah, how neat and tidy is it? I am really impressed. And very well maintained. No toilet paper lying all over the ground or anything. If you're not staying at the showground, you can still use the showers. It's pretty cool. $2 per person, that's really good. All of the typical signs. Lately. We are finally tucked into bed. It always takes so long to get ready for bed when we're in the car. I would really like to have a van. There'd be places for everything. We wouldn't have to put everything tucked away in these tiny little spots. It would just be a lot faster, and we'd have like one flat surface where we could wash dishes instead of sort of standing around a tree. I mean, I don't mind standing around a tree to wash my dishes, and I'll link to the video I made about how we wash our dishes. But I don't know, it's tiring. Anyway, happy to be lying in bed. It's a little bit cool tonight. I haven't looked at the temperature. I forgot to hook up the outside thermometer, but it's nice cool, and I think it will make for a nice sleep. I don't think we're going to need the aircon on with the car or anything, and yeah, we could potentially leave the front windows open either fully or just a crack. I don't know. I'll see how we go later once we're sort of lying down and almost ready for sleep. We're just relaxing now. Alexis is watching some videos. She watched a thing about prosthetic limbs before. It's pretty cool. I think it was by Wired. They have some good stuff. I'm just babbling now, aren't I? Alexis just nodded at me. Going to sleep soonish. Good night, all. Sleep well.